Oh, okay, okay. No. We're starting, Kenya. Okay, this is the Adele Promise This cover number 2. In the beginning, there was nothing, so empty in the space between, and you came in, turned the lights on, and created what has come to be before I pluck your wings. Cover me, please, spread your wings. Cover me, promise this. If I die before I wake up, promise this. Take the time to say your grace on your knees till you pray for me. Promise this, being the last to kiss my lips. That's it, y'all. Sorry. Okay, now we can